Hi guys, I'm Prerna
And I'm Mahi.
and today we have a very different video. We are not baking or doing anything to do with desserts.
We thought we would try doing a review of something sweet.
Yeah. So what we have here is Domino's chocolate pizza.
Yeah, it's fairly new. It just came a couple of months ago, maybe.
I guess a month ago, like in
Yeah.
December, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, and it's really new and it seemed really interesting. And we
Yeah.
wanted to see if it's good, so we just thought we'll do a review of it on our channel.
Yeah. So starting with the price, this pizza, the
It's
size.
the Domino's small size,
Yeah,
regular. Yeah.
and this cost $240, which both of us thought was a little pricey.
I think it's too expensive for a pizza. So
Yeah. And
first reactions to how it looks.
this is what it looks like.
Hopefully it's visible.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sorry, Domino's, that's not that appetizing to look at.
Yeah, and also $240 for this.
Yeah, it's really thin. At least the regular size pizzas at Domino's,
Yeah, the crust is thicker.
it's thicker. Like, it's more filling. This
I
looks really
don't think
thin.
this is even bread, but let's
Yeah,
I don't know. It looks like phyllo pastry.
yeah, it's really thin, the dough or the crust. And it looks like there's some chocolate which is baked onto it, plus sauce drizzled on top.
Yeah,
This looks like it's coconut.
which Mahi loves.
I hate coconut. It's so disgusting.
I don't
like on
mind
desserts
coconut.
especially. And I have no idea what this is. Is that actual cheese?
I don't know. Let's see.
Okay. I'm sorry, I have a really bad feeling about this. I'll try this one.
I take the smallest piece possible.
Okay. I can't even. Ah, this
You
is
wanna
so
share
hard.
this?
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Okay, I hope you guys caught that expression. You're taking a second bite. I'm
No,
surprised.
because I want to know what this is. I'm just
Yeah.
not.
Is it cream cheese?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay. This.
I wish my expressions weren't a dead giveaway, or I was not that expressive, but then.
Okay.
See, it's not that I'm not a fan of coconut and chocolate. I love Bounty. That's actually coconut and chocolate. But then this is dark chocolate. And it's desiccated coconut.
I just got a lot of coconut and it's so gross. Okay.
She wants to spit it out. It's so obvious. Oh my god.
This is terrible.
What is this? Could you make out?
No, I didn't get a lot of that.
Lick it off. No one's gonna eat it anyway.
I'm just gonna. Yeah,
What is it?
I think it's cheese only. Some kind of cheese. Maybe cream cheese only.
Okay.
I don't know. That part is not bad. The chocolate that they've baked into it, it has a weird texture. It's like it's a
Have you
little.
not tried for a brownie?
Yeah, exactly. It's sort of like a brownie, but it's sort of like a fail brownie. It's gritty and it's
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah.
The sauce is fine, whatever. The coconut is disgusting, but if you're a fan of coconut, especially on a dessert,
No, that's not true. I love coconut, but this sucks. I love coconut. I mean, I'm South Indian. I can't possibly hate coconut. Come on. But this is not nice. No.
the crust is okay. It's not that
The
bad.
crust is the best part.
it's not that bad.
Yeah.
And so overall, if I had to rate this out of 5, I'd probably give it a 1. Like, I don't know.
I give it a 1.5 too. Yeah.
Yeah, a 1 is the max I can do for this. I mean, it's just a
I
waste of
think
money.
it would have been better had it been milk chocolate. I feel. I don't know. But
It would have been better if it had never been invented, in my honest opinion.
No, there are chocolate pizzas which are nice.
Yeah, okay. Maybe not at Domino's.
Maybe.
I'm sorry, Domino's. Stick to your
And
guys.
it's not. I mean, you can't even say that we are not dessert fans or whatever because the entire channel is proof enough. But yeah. Anyway, so if you like the video, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
And follow us on all our social media to be updated about what we're doing.
Yeah, and don't forget we have new videos every Monday. We usually bake on them. Today we did something different.
Yeah, so please tell us if you like the review and if we should review more things. And
Yeah.
you can, of course, give us suggestions for what we can review.
And bye, and we'll see you next Monday. Oh, this is generally
This
so
is
bad.
disgusting.
I told you, I had again for you. तेरे लिए मैंने वापस खाया.